Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is directly from the valleys of Kashmir. We're gonna make Kashmiri special Noon Chai. Let's see how to make this beautiful pink tea. In a pan, add 2 cups of water, and here I'm using green tea leaves. So take around 1 tablespoon of green tea leaves, add that into water. Add some salt and some cinnamon, cardamom and star anise. Give it a mix, and once it starts boiling, add baking soda. Mix it and boil it till it reduces to half the quantity. In this noon cha, we don't use sugar, instead we put salt. And as the name noon means salt. And once it gets nicely reduced, add 1 more cup of water, boil and reduce it again. This recipe was suggested to me by my friend Lindsay. Thank you so much, Lindsay, for this wonderful recipe. Now strain this tea and take out the decoction. You got this bright red or maroonish decoction. Now let's prepare the pink tea. So here I'm heating up some milk. Boil it and reduce the flame and let it boil for 5 minutes. So when you add the decoction into the thick milk, you will get that nice creamy pink tea. Now let's add this decoction into the milk. You can add more or less till you get the desired shade of pink. You can add some chopped nuts. Here I added some cashew nuts and pistachios. Now bring it to boil and our beautiful pink noon chai is ready. Early in the morning in Kashmir, you may observe tea vendors offering this tea with baked crisps, or also called as Khari. So you take each crisp and dip this in this pink tea and enjoy. This tea is best to be consumed when the weather is chill. So definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.